In this video, I'm going to provide you with an example of what a home addition would look like from the exterior if the walls were higher on it, and what they would look like if they were lower. So for example, if we had 8-foot walls on the existing house and 10-foot walls on the addition, or if we had 10-foot walls on the inside of the house and 8-foot walls high on the outside of the house. So we're going to start with an existing house, just a regular straight gable. But before I show you what the house would look like with the taller or lower walls on the addition, I want to show you what it would look like if you had a home addition with the same height walls. For example, if the walls were 8 foot tall from the top of the floor to the bottom of the ceiling, for example, on both the existing home and the home addition, then the roof might look something like this. The fascia board would line up, and then you would just have two valleys, one on each side. Now here's what it would look like if the home addition walls were a little lower than the walls on the existing house. For example, 10-foot walls on the existing house, 8-foot walls on the home addition. And I do have a 2-foot difference in the elevation drawings that we're going to look at to put everything into perspective. So here we can see the roof ridge. And the roof here will go underneath the fascia board over here. Same on the other side. And then, of course, it's not going to go back as far. The ridge will not go back as far. In the other example, it went back a little further and came from about here. It looks something like that. So I hope this makes sense. Now here's what it would look like if the home addition walls were taller. It's going to push the roof farther back, and this section of the roof is going to go on top of the other roof, and this one here is going to butt up against, see if we can bring that in there. This section is going to go up against the walls. So give you a view from right there, what it would look like. Come back over here, it'd be the same on the other side. Zoom out. Here's what it would look like if we were looking at an elevation view of it from the, I will say from the left. Here's what it would look like from the front. And here's what it would look like from the other side. So hopefully that makes sense and gives you an idea what your roof would look like and the exterior of the house if you were going to put an addition on with taller walls or smaller walls for your home addition.